Joe Hughes here with Carolina Lernishinska.
Hi, nice
so
to meet you.
nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
Tell everyone, Carolina, what your job title is at WeatherGuard.
I am the Associate Product Manager for WeatherGuard Truck.
Awesome.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, show us what's going on at the show.
Absolutely.
The whole idea here, just so that you know, you and I didn't get a chance to chat about it, but it's like a bunch of my associates can't come to the show. They're just not able to for one reason or another. And so we want them to see what they missed.
Okay.
So
Absolutely.
share with us what they would have seen
Absolutely.
if they'd come.
So this is our new steel truck rack that will be launching beginning of next month in April. So we are replacing our current truck racks that we have in the market. So this truck rack is a full universal steel truck rack for all full-size vehicles.
Okay.
So depending on the bed length, it doesn't matter at all. So it ranges from a 5.5 foot to an 8 foot bed.
Okay.
So I can show you guys here on this side. So this rear leg always sits in the same position. We have 10 mounting points on the foot, so you're really able to maximize the space for the mounting foot to put boxes. Like as you can see, we have our WeatherGuard saddle box, our WeatherGuard low side box. So the front leg is what adjusts depending on the bed length.
I see.
So over here we have the plates of the two pieces coming together, and that part right there is what adjusts from 5.5 foot to an 8 foot bed.
Oh, excellent. Yeah.
Yes.
I see that. Yeah.
So some other new features that we have for WeatherGuard is we have a rear handlebar, which is something that we haven't done before.
Oh, good. Yeah.
As you can tell, trucks are getting taller, so it's a lot.
And old people are getting older, like
that
me.
too. So it's a lot easier to get up on the truck with the handlebar. We have tie-down points on the side members as well as loops on each one of the legs. So that's new for us too. So it kind of looks like a marine style where you can put rope around it. Yep.
Well,
so it comes in a matte black finish. The mounting feet are true no drill as well. So it utilizes the stake pockets as well as clamps that mount to the bed rail.
Oh.
Yes, so it's no drilling required at all.
Oh, that's
with this
excellent.
rack.
Yeah, that's excellent.
So it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to assemble this rack on the ground, and then probably another half hour for it to be assembled onto the actual bed. So overall, it's about a 1 hour installation.
Pretty simple install. Then.
Very simple. It all comes disassembled, so it's very, very easy to put together as well. The rear cross member is removable. So
I see.
For anyone who wants to, let's say, put a refrigerator in the back of their truck or a pallet with something really tall, you can remove that cross member. But in order to have the vehicle in motion, you need to have that rear cross member always installed on there.
Sure. Yeah. Just
for safety and everything.
Exactly. Yeah.
Overall, the rack is a 1,000 pound rated rack. Evenly distributed, so you can put 1,000 pounds on there. And the front, we've also included a welded airfoil on there. So with vehicles that have truck racks on them, usually there's a lot of wind noise as you're driving through. So that airfoil in the front helps deflect that wind to minimize the noise. Yeah,
make it a little quieter in the cab. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Well, that's such a fine product.
Thank you.
I think you're in for a good run of business.
Thank you. Yeah. We also have a couple accessories launching too with this product. So we have an accessory cross member, which is also a no drill. It utilizes the same locking pins that the rear cross member utilizes, and a knob for you to tighten or loosen to adjust it. And then we also have the accessory cab protector screen to help protect the cab, which utilizes pre-drilled holes in the leg to be installed on there too. So there is absolutely no drilling required with this rack.
That's great. I think no drilling means no rust.
Correct.
Means a lot of benefits to it.
Yes, it absolutely does, especially with Ford aluminum beds and everything. And this being a steel product, we want to minimize the amount of drilling that's required.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, Carolina, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
It's a pleasure,
thank you so much,
and thanks
Joe.
for showing us.
Of course,
Appreciate your
anytime.
patience.
Thank you.